Hello everybody, today I'm going to teach you a very quick and a easy way of making mixed sauce pasta. It's all kids' favorite pasta. I used to give this in my daughter's lunch for her school and all her friends used to love it. So this is on a high request for all the mothers who wanted to learn a very easy way of making pasta so that they can make in the morning and give it as a lunch for their children. So let's start making this. To make the pasta, we'll be needing 1 cup boiled pasta. To boil the pasta, in the hot water, add little salt and very little, about 1 teaspoon of oil. I would like to share a very interesting tip with you while you are boiling the pasta. When you boil the pasta, the water should be in a very large quantity as compared to the pasta that you're adding. Suppose it is just a 1 cup pasta, you need to take about 10 cups of water, so that when it boils, the pasta should seep in the water completely, because as the pasta boils, it leaves its starch. 1 cup of white sauce. How to make white sauce I've already shown in my previous video, you can refer to the previous video. Salt and pepper to taste, oregano, all-purpose seasoning or pizza seasoning, 1.5 tablespoon of pizza pasta paste. I have used here Fun Food pizza pasta paste. You can take any company or any brand you like. 1 tablespoon of ketchup and a very little, about half a teaspoon of olive oil or any vegetable oil you like. So let's begin. Just add a little oil, very little oil, as you can see. As the oil heats up a little, we are going to add our pasta. Just toss a little. Then add the white sauce. Since the white sauce already has salt, all the sauces and the ketchup has salt, so when we add a little salt, we need to keep in mind that the salt is already there in the sauces. Now we add the pizza pasta paste, ketchup, mix it properly. If you think it's too thick, you can add little water. I'm going to add little water to this, about half a cup. You see the beautiful color. Now we add little seasoning. We'll add very little salt, because as I said, the salt's already present. Little pepper. You can also add chili flakes to this, oregano, all-purpose seasoning or pizza seasoning. Mix it properly. As you can see, the sauce is very nice, thick and bubbling. We switch off the flame and pour in a dish. If you want, you can sprinkle some cheese on it. So your mixed sauce pasta is ready to go. If you like my videos, please do not forget to like and subscribe my channel, as it will give me a lot of encouragement to make further videos. Thank you so much.